Today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use this 3-foot snake to unclog this toilet. This is what the end looks like here. And it has a handle like this. So you're going to pull up on the handle all the way until you can't anymore. And what that's going to do at the base here is it's going to bring this all the way up to the plastic sheath here. And the plastic sheath is important, I'll show you. So that's going to protect your porcelain. So you're going to go in like this. This toilet, if you've got a stopped up toilet here, you've tried plunging, you've tried Dawn dish soap, that's not helping, you've got to resort to the snake. So you kind of just slide it in here, and you want to make sure you do it carefully as to not scratch up the porcelain too much. What you're going to do now is kind of grip it here, and you're going to press down on the metal on the handle here. Ideally, it's going to go down, up, and then down again, and then push whatever's clogged in here down through the O-ring and into the larger outlet hole at the base of the floor. Now what I'm doing is I'm turning this handle clockwise as I'm pressing it further down. And you may have to move this shaft up and down a little bit to get it going. So what I'm doing here is I'm putting it more straight up and down, and I'm holding the black portion here as I turn the handle clockwise as I push down. And what may happen is you may notice water start to go down as you're moving this forward, and that's a good sign. And once that happens, you can go ahead and give it a flush. Once you have the handle kind of close to this black portion here, you can just rotate the handle counterclockwise and start to pull it out, and then just pull on this metal portion here. And once you pull that out, you can kind of feel it fraying up here, and you kind of move it straight up and down to get it up, so you're not going to scratch the porcelain as much. And what you can do, if you do get some scratches in there, you can get a pumice stone and a microfiber cloth and clean them off that way. Or you can get a toilet bowl cleaner and kind of rub it with some Lysol as well. But I hope you found some value in that, and hopefully you can get your toilet unclogged. And check out this next video where I do it with a coat hanger if you don't have a toilet snake.